This octopus can mimic sea snakes, lionfish, flatfish, and even venomous jellyfish. Meet the mimic octopus, the ocean's trickster, found in the tropical waters of Southeast Asia. Like other octopuses, they use chromatophores to disguise themselves with the background and shoot black ink from their ink sac as a defense mechanism. However, they are noteworthy for being able to impersonate over 15 different marine species, which they do to hunt and avoid predators. By changing their color, texture, and movements, they transform their appearance to resemble other animals. They may also create unique combinations, adapting their mimicry to suit their environment and needs, which demonstrates the astonishing adaptability and intelligence in nature.